I want to know if you all just realize this. There's no way. We're going to go to my first page. You see Dak and Leyla? Their hair color matches Stoick the Vask's hair. I'm speculating that Hiccup, Dak, and Leyla are actually siblings. But Dak and Leyla got lost at sea, and Stoick and Valka lost the two of them. And Hiccup, not knowing he had two younger siblings, grew up not knowing about it. And if this is true, then How to Train Your Dragon Rescue Riders, if you take a cool look at Stoick's eye. Stoick's hair, they're the same color. But now, let's take a look at Valka's eyes. We are going to take a look at Valka's eye color. As you can see, she has green eyes, right? Yeah, look. Green. She has green eyes. Now, if we go take a look at twins' eyes, they have green. Are Dak and Leyla, Valka, and Stoick the Vast's missing kids? Is Hiccup these two's older brothers? Should we? Okay, if you all think that Dak, Leyla, Hiccup are siblings and that Stoick and Valka are Dak and Leyla's actual mom and dad, comment down below, because this is a major breakthrough discovery. What if Dak, Leyla, and Hiccup are siblings? Like, in my AU, they are, because they're part of the Aftons. But comment down below if you actually think Dak, Leyla, and Hiccup are actually siblings. I'm not the only one that can be theorizing about this, everyone. Goodbye.